Hi, my name is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to decorate a baby's room with blocks. There are lots of great ways you can decorate with wooden blocks. There are various different sizes that you can use, and you can position them. You can coordinate with already existing room art in different colors and shapes using larger blocks and smaller blocks together. You can just stack them. You could simply stack them in an interesting way to go along with existing wall art. Another great way to decorate with blocks is to fill old jars. Placing them in here gives interesting texture and color to the room. Another great way to decorate with wooden blocks is to spell your baby's name. These are just a few fun ideas. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to decorate a baby's room with wooden blocks.